Hello, so this video we're going to be doing a quick tutorial video, so hopefully it'll all go well and I won't have to do 50 takes of it. A common problem for gamers and wargamers alike is getting models painted on the board and done. So one way around this is to grab hold of, I should have been more prepared, is to grab hold of these bad boys. So some Sharpies, probably between 3, 5, maybe a little bit more pound on eBay. You can get them from your shop, and what we're going to attempt to do is Sharpie this guy. Can we see him? See him? Nope, it's not going to focus, but we're going to be showing this Death Guard. We'll see how we do with him. So we'll probably be doing it on the table and we'll see how it goes, and we'll see how fast it is. So see you in a minute, guys. So in this video, obviously we're showing you how to do the Sharpies. So some of this video I'm not used to doing on-the-job painting and cameraing, as you probably guessed. So some of this you might not see most of it. I've tried to edit a lot of that out, but as you can see, you get the gist of what's going on and where I've painted with the brush. Painted, it's kind of cheating. Principally though, we've got the silver there for the bolt gun, which is a decent colour. You could have gone black and then gold it, which I did try initially, but I didn't like the coverage of the black. The metal goes on so much easier. And with this part, I tried to get most of the goldy brass. I think I went for the gold with this one, for the raised areas, any little trims and stuff. So I won't lie, some of this I actually wasn't super neat, and it'd probably be way easier to do if you had the model unglued, well yeah, unmade and unglued. But it wasn't that bad, if I'm honest, and if I'd have been a little bit more gentler, a little bit more slower, I probably would have got it all in without making a mess. There's only a slight bit here and there, which you'll be able to see on the final model, which I'll show you at the end of the video. So in this part of the video I'm just picking out some details, and later, a little bit later in the next part of the video, I'll be showing you some little touch-ups I did with a green pen. Some pens have a better coverage than others. The metallics are awesome, and they cover perfectly with no problems whatsoever. So obviously at this point I decided to put a wash on it because this will bring out all the extra detail, and I was not gentle with it at all. As you can see at the beginning of that, I just showed you that it was a cheap and nasty brush and I didn't care about it, that's why I flicked it. And as you can see, I'm properly bathing it You might want to go slightly more gentle with this if it's your first model, but it's just my style, and the fact that it's Death Guard, I think it really actually warrants having the thick wash on there. So the next part of the video you'll see was the next day, because basically I'm a parent and I have other things to do. So this dried, and this is the next result you'll see at the end of the video. Thanks for coming back after watching that video. I can't believe how easy that was. That was amazing. This was a super cheap model. Get some cheap Sharpies and you know, and a wash, and you've got a tabletop ready gate. If it's not going to focus in, who cares? But basically, it looks good for what it is. It does the job, and that was really fast. It's like 5 minutes. So I'll leave it there. Thanks. Please keep watching out for more videos.